Matti Jorgensen has signed the deal with Wildcat Racing for the 2025 Supercross team. Obviously, this is a team last year that housed Evan Ferry for his half a season or whatever you want to call it. And it's kind of one of those funny things. It's like, okay, one rider teams, privateer, kind of giving somebody a chance, always a good thing. The statement being, quote, the Wildcat Race team is excited to welcome Matti Jorgensen to the team for the 2025 Supercross season. With proven track potential and a strong positive attitude, consistently pushing himself to perform at the highest level, Matti is ready to bring the heat to the track and push the limits alongside their crew this year. Stay tuned for an epic Supercross season ahead. Obviously, so they said it themselves, Supercross season. I don't know if that has a option or whatever you want to call it to race motocross too, or if this is literally just, hey, we're going to give you a ride for Supercross this year, see how it goes, and then who knows. But that's where I leave you guys. Short little video. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. How well do you think he's going to do? He's going to be racing outdoors, whatever it is. Who do you think is going to win A1? Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. With that, I'll see you later. Peace.